Hey everyone! When we want to keep our Windows 11 experience smooth and reliable, it's important to keep our drivers up to date. If our computer uses Intel components, such as Intel UHD graphics, Wi-Fi adapters, Bluetooth, or chipset drivers, having the correct and updated drivers makes sure our hardware communicates properly with the operating system. Outdated or missing drivers can cause performance drops, connection loss, display problems, or system instability. That's why it's important to know how to properly download and install drivers for Windows 11. This is a key step in keeping our PC running at its best. The purpose of this guide is to give clear and simple instructions on how to safely download Intel drivers, especially for Windows 11. Since drivers are system-level software, installing the wrong version or downloading from unofficial sources can cause compatibility issues or security risks. This guide will help us identify our Intel hardware, choose the correct driver version, and download it safely from trusted sources, such as Intel's official support website or through Windows Update. By following the right process, we can make sure our computer works well, stays stable, and is compatible with the latest Windows 11 features and updates. Let's get started. First, we open our browser. We go to intel.com. Once we're on the home page, we click Support. We can find it in the upper left part of the page. Under Support, we go to the Download Center. Here, we are redirected to a page with products and featured downloads. Since we want to download drivers, we click Get Started. Once we're in the support service for Intel Driver Support Assistant, we can see the download option. We download this for the Intel drivers and Support Assistant for Windows 11. We can also download versions for Windows 7, 8, 8.1, 10, and 11, such as version 44.7.6.3. We can also download and run the Driver and Support Assistant application. At the bottom, we see Download Now and the instructions. After downloading, we install the application. This gives us basic support for updating our software and hardware. After we have successfully downloaded and installed the right Intel drivers, our system should run smoothly and reliably. It's a good idea to check for updates regularly to keep our system working well and avoid common hardware problems. Staying updated not only improves speed and responsiveness, but also helps with system security. With Intel drivers properly installed, we can enjoy a smoother and more stable Windows 11 experience with confidence.